Monty 8800 maximizes productivity for run-flat and regular tires. Easy, fast, safe. Power Mount, the innovative leverless system that makes fast and easy working with all tires, even those with very soft or very stiff sidewalls. Thanks to the Smart Speed feature, the Monty 8800 optimizes the torque and maximizes the rotation speed. Higher ergonomics, less operator fatigue, and quicker clamping, all thanks to the wheel lift, the central wireless clamping, and the Power Mount. High-performance tires can be mounted and demounted without damage. Regular tires can be mounted and demounted at the speed of a tabletop tire changer. Quick, safe, and effortless, with all wheels. Hofmann Monty 8800, the premium tire changer for premium workshops.